In front of me is Microsoft Duo, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System right here and go to Date and Time. And you can either use automatic date and time, and as you can see it is network provided, or you can switch it off and then select date and time manually by yourself. Then you can also change the time zone, so just unmark the automatic one and then select it manually by yourself. Then you can pick the region and then time zone if there is more than one. So this is it. This is how you can change the date and time. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just unmark those switchers. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.